Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can save money on Shein. So if you're new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Go to the search bar and type Shein and press enter in the keyboard. After that your search results will be shown. Just click on the first search results. After that you just need to look in the top right corner. There is a person icon, and you just have to scroll down the pop-up box that will be opened when you hover around the person icon, and there will be my coupons option. Just click on the my coupons option, and when you are here you can see the coupons that are currently available. You can just apply for that, and you can also go and look in the gift cards, and you can just follow through the things that is currently there. And one of the most easy way or most popular way to save money on GN is you can just go to my coupon cards. In the left hand side there are my assets option. There are my coupons, my points, my wallets, and your gift card. You can just apply for the coupons or the gift card, and you will be able to use those gift cards and coupons while buying a certain product that you want, and you will get a discount. So this is how you can save money on Shein. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.